Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the creative GigaWorks T20 Series II multimedia speakers with BasXPort technology. Let's dive straight in. First up, the design. These speakers sport a sleek, black, high-gloss finish that screams elegance. Measuring about 8.8 x 3.5 x 5.6 inches, they're compact enough to fit any desk setup, whether at home or in the office. One of my favorite design features? The front-mounted controls on the right speaker. Volume, bass, treble, all at your fingertips and super responsive. The build quality feels solid, promising durability. Now, let's talk sound. The GigaWorks T20 Series II are equipped with a two-way speaker system, high-quality tweeter and mid-range driver. This combo delivers a well-balanced sound profile, clear highs, rich mids, and decent lows, ideal for music, movies, and gaming. But here's the star of the show, BasXPort technology. This feature enhances the lower frequencies without needing a subwoofer. It channels the sound waves from inside the speaker to the outside, boosting the bass. The result? Deeper, more impactful bass that makes your audio experience more immersive. I tested it with various music genres, classical, rock, electronic, and the clarity was impressive. The bass? Pleasingly deep, though bass heads might want a dedicated subwoofer for those super low frequencies. Connectivity next. The GigaWorks T20 Series II offers 3.5 mm auxiliary and RCA inputs. This means you can connect them to almost anything: computers, smartphones, tablets, TVs. And there's a headphone jack on the front for those late-night sessions or private listening. Setup is a breeze. The speakers come with all necessary cables, and the quick start guide makes it foolproof, even for non-techies. Once connected, adjusting the sound is simple with the front-mounted controls. These speakers are compatible with most operating systems and audio devices, so integration with your setup should be seamless. In daily use, these speakers deliver reliability and performance. Whether it's music, movies, or gaming, the GigaWorks T20 Series II provides a satisfying audio experience. The BasXPort technology enhances the bass, adding depth without overwhelming other frequencies. So, pros and cons. Pros: stylish, compact design, excellent sound quality with clear highs and rich mids. BasXPort technology for deep bass without a subwoofer. Versatile connectivity with multiple input options and a headphone jack. Easy to use front-mounted controls. Cons: limited bass for those wanting extremely deep sounds. Lacks advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity. High-gloss finish attracts dust and fingerprints. In conclusion, the creative GigaWorks T20 Series II speakers are a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop audio. Sleek design, solid build, and impressive sound performance make these speakers a solid investment. While they might not have the deepest bass or the newest features, the balanced sound and enhanced bass make them a standout. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.